In this video we will talk about pointers. Let's take into consideration two variables, variable a and the variable x. We will say that a points to the x if a is a pointer to the x. If x is the variable of the type integer, then we will say that pointer a points to a variable of the type integer. So we will write that int pointer a comma x, will have here and the statement, and let this be the first line of the code. So we will have a pointer a that points to variable of type integer, and we will have the x, a variable of the type integer. If we look this from the perspective of the registers in the memory, then with this line we reserved a place in the memory for the variable a and for the variable x. Nothing else happened. So let's suppose that we have registers with 8 bits, and the first memory is 0, then 1, and then the other memories, then the other places in the memories indicated by their address. So we have here register. In the first line, the situation in the register is only reservation for the 2 places, but we will take in consideration also some other lines in the code, so we just write the same register in when it is executed, the second line, third line, fourth line, and the 5. So we will start from the address 0, then we have address 1, then some other addresses, suppose here we have address 0, 0, 1, 2, F, E, B, C, then the address 0, 0, 1, 2, F, E, C8, then the address 0, 0, 1, 2, F, E, D4, also the other addresses. Suppose that the machine reserved this address for the variable x. So also in other lines of the code, this address will be reserved from the for the same variable. So we can have here x. In this address we will have written variable x, and let's suppose that machine reserved this address for pointer a. Also in other lines of the code, this address will belong to the same pointer a. So we have in line 1 we have reserved two places in the memory, this for the variable x and this for the variable for the pointer a. In the second line, we will declare x equal to 5. So this is second line. This is end of the statement. So in the second line will happen nothing, only in the place in the memory reserved for x we will have 5. In the a still nothing. So in the third line we will have command a equal to address of the x, end of statement. So in the a it will be written address of the x. So this was place for a, this is the third line. So here we have address of the x. So this is x and address of the x is 0012 FEC8. So here we have 0012 FEC8. In fourth line, let's have another variable. Let it be variable p that is equal with the value in the address a. So this is address a. Suppose that p is written, the place in the memory reserved for the variable p, suppose is in this address. So we have here p p is written in this address, and in p we write the value in the address a. So address a is equal to 0012 FEC8. It is this address, and the value in this address is 5. So p is equal to 5. So in p we can write now 5. This was line number 4. And finally line number 5. In line number 5 we will write that value in the address a is 10, and here we have end of the statement. So what we have here, we have that now we should look what is the value in a. So a is equal 0012 FEC8. It is this address, and value was 5, and now we say that this value now is 10. So here we have 10. So we changed the content of the variable x from 5 to 10, as we said the value in the address a is 10. This concludes the lesson.